Almost every new creator, no matter what platform they post on, all have the same problem in the early stages of their content creation or YouTube journey, and that is how to talk to the camera. This has to be one of the most awkward things in the world. I mean, sitting in an empty room, setting up a camera and talking to a lens. You start sweating, start feeling awkward, and you tend to mess a whole lot of your words up. I've been making videos for more than 5 years now, and one of the struggles I had was that I didn't like talking to the camera. But obviously I had to speak on camera because I wanted to be a content creator, and I didn't want to do any of those faceless YouTube bullshit. Don't get me wrong, it's not a bad idea if that's what you're into, but it just wasn't my thing. One thing I've realized over the years is that there are thousands of people out there just like me who want to put out content, but they are scared just because of their fear of speaking on camera. They are scared to start. There's a popular saying on YouTube that the best time to start a YouTube channel was 10 to 15 years ago. But I'll tell you now that the next best time to start is now. And why do I say this? The thing is, YouTube used to be a platform for professional filmmakers with full studios making videos. But right now, times have changed. We literally have creators who just randomly pick up their phones in their living room and just shoot content. We gained over 100,000 plus subscribers in just 6 months. In this video, we are going to cover 3 simple changes that you can make today that will dramatically change the way you speak on camera and make you feel more confident too. The first change you need to make is to stop trying to be who you are not. Oftentimes, the reason why you feel that cringe or weirdness is because you are trying to be someone you are not, trying to be somebody else. You probably have creators online who you watch and admire, and then somehow subconsciously you try to act and speak like them when you're on camera. And that's the first problem. What you need to do is to genuinely be you. I mean, talk in a way that you normally would, in your natural tone that you would normally talk every day. What you need to do is to genuinely just be you. Talk naturally in a tone that you would if you were just having a regular conversation. No faking and no accents. Trust me, your viewers can tell when you are faking it because it obviously doesn't sound real enough. And what that does is limits the trust they have in you. Another important thing which you actually need to do if you want to speak better on camera is to befriend the camera. Here's the irony. The reason why you can speak confidently and comfortably on camera is because you are speaking to the camera. Let me explain. Most of the time when we sit to record our videos, we feel that awkwardness of why the fuck am I sitting in front of a camera talking to a lens? But what you need is a change of mindset. And the exact mindset you need to have while delivering your videos is the conversation mindset. Just imagine this. You're having a chill time and having fun talking to your best friend. How would you speak? Now that you have that in your mind, we are going to now replace that friend with the camera and speak in the exact same way. The same gesture, the same humor, the same everything. Obviously, this will be easier if you have your best friend behind the camera filming you. But even if you are doing everything alone, just like I am filming alone, this will still work for you. Once you have that mindset locked in, the next thing on the list is don't be dull. This might sound basic, but trust me, it is of utmost importance. The reason being that while you need to deliver your videos in a comfortable way, we sometimes end up speaking too low or just being too dull. Nobody out there wants to watch you do this. Hi, my name is Blaze. I make videos for a living and I'm 5 years on YouTube. That just sounds extremely boring and nobody wants to sit through a 10-minute video of you acting like you don't care or you don't just want to put an effort into the video you are currently making. What you need to do now is set your tone and pace. Slow paces when you're going over the important parts of your videos and fast paces for the rest of your video. So you don't just end up boring your viewers. You want to leave them feeling like they just hung out with you and not just that they just finish watching another random video online. This does 2 things. It makes your viewer more comfortable and more interested in your videos while also keeping you comfortable while you talk to the camera. And that's the second benefit. And this leads me to the final step that you could take to talk more comfortably on camera, and that is letting go of perfection. It goes without saying that nobody is perfect. Not me, not you, not even your viewers. And that's what makes us human. Especially in this age of AI automation and generic content that's flooding the internet right now. Allow yourself make mistakes, allow yourself stutter, and let go of the urge to be perfect. Whether it's in your gear, your lighting, whatever, don't be afraid to learn as you go. This invokes a sense of connection between you and your viewer. This shows that you don't really have it all figured out, but you are showing them the journey as you progress along. This way, they might probably even feel motivated to start their own journey, because if you can, then that means they can too. Trust me, if you make these simple changes in the way you talk, you'll definitely start to notice improvements in the delivery of your video. So now that you've learned how to talk confidently on camera, watch this video over here to learn how you can kickstart your YouTube journey in 2026. I'll see you there.